Hey, what are you doing? You clicked on extras. You gotta watch the video and the trailer first. Go on, get out of here.
Are you ready?
Almost. I was distracted.
Oh, come on, we're gonna be late.
Okay.
Who's that?
Who's who? You're still here?
Who is it?
I don't know. Beat it, okay? Watch the other stuff, then come back here for the extras.
I skipped the video.
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. Okay, done. Let's go.
What about them?
What about... Yeah.
They're not going away.
Okay, listen. We gotta go. It's Friday night. We're done studying.
Till tomorrow.
Yeah, anyway, we're going downtown. It's Friday night, right?
Sit down like good little boys.
Or girls.
Like good little boys and girls and watch the video with your parents.
Yeah, just sit there and watch it with them.
And then when it's over, look thoughtful and nod your head a lot.
Like you're thinking about it.
And then when they leave the room, click on extras and come back and see us.
We'll show you what it's really like here at Western. Don't worry about your parents.
No, they never watch the extras.
I'm Nate, by the way.
I'm Angie.
The world is going digital. When I graduate, that's one train I'm gonna be on.
That doesn't make sense.
It's not that bad, is it?
Trains are so not digital.
No, they're
And
not.
trains are so last century.
Okay, fine.
Try again.
When I graduate, I'm gonna be gripping the joystick.
Oh, try again.
Okay, I'm gonna be overclocking the glockenspiel. I'm gonna be a cyberspace cowboy, and I'm gonna bite
please.
those bits and spit them out in binary code. Hmm?
Okay, all right. That's good enough. Come on, let's go.
Really? Go watch the trailer, then the video, and then come back here. You gotta go in sequence, dude.
Come on.
Don't screw this up.
Okay, geez. You know what? We're leaving now. So here's a menu. Bye.
Welcome to Western Michigan University. When you begin your new life at Western, as we call it, we urge you to remember what will be expected of you during your stay here at Western Michigan University. You will be expected to behave in a manner consistent with the long history of achievement here at Western, stretching all the way back to the very beginning, way back in 1903.
Back.
We knew they'd be back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look, dudes, you gotta watch the other stuff here. I'm not joking you.
Well, actually,
What?
I kind of changed it a little.
What?
I rewrote some code.
You rewrote? Oh no.
I couldn't stand the trailer, so I made it optional.
Tell me no.
Yeah.
We are so screwed.
Not you, just me.
They're gonna nail me.
No, I did it.
They're gonna know it's me.
No, I did it.
They told me last year when I hacked the graduation website they were gonna nail me the next time.
That was a great hack.
Yeah, thanks.
Space monkeys handing out diplomas. That was good.
It's all right.
All right, come on, let's go.
Well, what about them?
Oh my gosh. All right, look. I saved you from the trailer, okay? Now just go watch the video. It's much better than the trailer. And then you can come back here and hang out with us, all right?
They're gonna nail me.
No, they're not. Come on, let's go.
I gotta graduate.
Oh, you're gonna be fine.
Western Michigan University has built a brand new state-of-the-art engineering campus right here on the west side of Kalamazoo, a great little city if there ever was one. Here in this beautiful country setting, only 10 minutes drive from the main campus, here, amid this beautiful natural landscape, the engineering college is providing a valuable education for those interested in landing the most important and fastest growing tech jobs of the 21st century. And right smack in the middle of all this technology is the computer science department. Because it's here in the classrooms of computer science that students are learning real-world skills that, according to the U.S. Department of Labor Statistics, will enable them to graduate to the job market with a starting salary of $50K. That's big ones, as in thousands. That is, if you're not afraid of a little work, and if you're not afraid of a little math. Because every computer science major will take a minor in math, and here's why. In the past, math was the universal core of every aspect of science and still is. Without math, there is no science. Without math, we're simply stargazing or wishful thinking or praying for rain. But with math and science, we can harness the hidden secrets of our world and unlock their power. And with computer science, we can do almost anything. And throw in a little engineering and applied science, and the future is ours. Because now computing is the foundation upon which we build almost everything in our lives. Computing is at the core of everything we do. Our modern society could not exist without our knowledge of computing. Think about it. Without our computers, our world would grind to a halt. So dependent have we become upon these machines with the binary code. And everywhere around the world, in China and India, all across Asia, in Europe and Russia, people are preparing for the next generation of computation by learning the skills to enable them to command these machines to their will, for the good of their society and the rest of the world, not to mention their bank accounts. Because that's what we're talking about here in the Computer Science Department of Western Michigan University. No less than the future of our world depends upon how skilled we will be in controlling the machines that could save our planet from pollution and hunger, from overcrowding and unrest. Our computers and the people who know how to use them are positioned to be some of the most important workers in our future. Or, on the other hand, if you graduate with a CS degree, you may only be interested in a great paying job, a great house, and a hot car. That's okay, too. With a computer science degree in hand, the choice is yours. Okay, here's the deal. Here's the 4 main courses of study in computer science at Western. Programming. You will learn how to program, to write the code that instructs the computer what to do. You, in essence, will become the creator. Systems. You will learn the nitty-gritty of operating systems such as Windows and Linux, and how the internet actually works. Operating systems and networks crank your programming skills up a notch, giving you unbelievable power. Programming applications. You will learn how to apply programming power, as in graphics, gaming, artificial intelligence, as in speech and handwriting recognition, not to mention the really futuristic stuff like robotics and machine intelligence. A study of systems will teach you a lot about databases, so you might land a great job with Google, working with their huge index and top-secret search algorithm. You'll also study graphics and user interfaces, which might help you get a job. The 4th field of study at Western is theory and analysis. You'll learn how to analyze how fast programs run, how to make them run faster. For instance, with regard to gaming, number crunching, as in weather predictions, etc. So that's it. Choose one. Roll up your sleeves and get started. Okay, let me sweeten the deal. Here's what we've got at Western. Platforms. You want platforms? We got plenty of platforms. We got your Windows, we got your Linux, we got Unix on Sun workstations, large parallel processor systems. You want high-tech classrooms? We got them. We got teaching labs, open computer labs, and the gold standard of ubiquitous computing. I'm talking wireless here. I'm talking a completely Wi-Fi campus. We were one of the first in the world. Think about it. You can sit in any nook or cranny on campus. You can dangle your feet in the pond. You can hang upside down in the gym and still be connected with the whole wide world. WWW. There's more. We got holes, lots of holes for anything you could want to plug in. At every table in every classroom, all over the floors in the student study area, in the cafe. We got free Microsoft software. Why not? It's yours for free. How about internet? You want free internet? It's yours for free. Go nuts. But you gotta pay the piper. You gotta walk the walk if you want to be a success here at Western. But first, you gotta talk the talk. I'm talking language, new language, the language of machines. You didn't think it was going to be easy, did you? Clap your hands twice or something, did you? You got to learn how to talk to them. You got to learn a new language or two. And we've got them all. We got your C# with .NET. We got Java. You like VB, Visual Basic, and C? We got them. And we got more. We got Oracle for databases, Prolog for artificial intelligence, and we got Ajax, Ajax and Ruby and SQL. Tell your grandpa he can have his COBOL and Fortran, because we got the good stuff, and we got it now.
We here at Western, I say we here at Western Michigan University, believe that a promotional video, or that is to say DVD, digital video disc, should lay out the facts in a manner consistent with the long tradition of a prestigious institution such as Western Michigan University. Furthermore, we believe that...
In a very short time, it's all gonna be digital. In a very short time, the world is gonna be a different place.
In the old days, like when your parents were young, it was an analog world. Everything was all atoms, all matter and mass. And anytime you wanted to make something, you had to start from scratch or copy the crap out of it. And with every copy that you made in the analog world, well, it got a little worse and a little more worse until finally you could barely make out what it was you started with. You had to start all over again from scratch.
In the analog world, you had to pick up the atoms and move them around.
And atoms are heavy.
Very heavy. But we had to load them into trucks and ship them all over the world.
But then they discovered electrons and they used them whenever they could.
Cheaper to move than atoms, mostly for information, but it was still expensive.
A 50% loss rate.
And then, around about the time that we came along,
Like yesterday?
they created digital.
And the cost of moving stuff like pictures and music and words went way down.
Way down. Fiber optics.
Moving photons is cheap.
And now it's our turn in the digital world, and it's just beginning. Welcome to Web 2.0.
Anything you want to experience can be digitized and then shared.
And with networks, you get it anytime, anywhere.
Soon we'll be doing a lot of travel and entertainment online.
We'll shop online, pay our bills online.
Like we don't already.
Soon we'll have virtual reality. Think of it, guys. The world of your dreams.
Don't even think about it. God.
Okay, but it's gonna be cool. What'd I say?
Don't even think about it. World of your dreams. I know what you're thinking.
What?
Never mind. We're talking about pervasive computing here. I mean, everything connected to everything else.
Google, Yahoo, YouTube, cats and dogs living together. It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be cool.
But
But
if you want to be a part of all of it,
more than just a user,
then you're gonna have to know a little bit about how all this stuff works.
you're gonna have to learn to write some code, dude.
And if you can learn how to do that, if you can learn how to program a computer and put a network together, then you can control the future.
It's all about the software. The future will run on software.
And we're gonna be there when it does. We're gonna write the code for the future.
That was good.
Yeah, thanks.
No, really, that was good.
I've been working on it. Okay, so now we're gonna take you on a virtual tour.
We are?
Yeah, using this.
What's that?
It's a flash card.
SD, more like.
Okay, it's an SD flash card. Shot some footage.
When?
Last week, you were studying for your test. I used my spy cam.
Spy cam.
Yeah, I made it.
That's it?
Uh-huh. Pinhole camera wired into a 4 gig drive.
Cool.
Yeah. So now all we have to do is watch the footage that I shot and then do the commentary.
Oh, like a movie, like the DVD commentary.
Yeah. You
Okay.
ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but first, this is analog. This is digital. Copy this one, looks like crap. Copy this, you clone it exactly, you can shoot it to someone on the other side of the planet with a click of a button. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
I am.
Here goes.
Oh, that's, where is that?
Geno's, or Student Lounge number 2 for those of you online.
Oh, yeah. Why do we call it Geno's?
Freshman year Christmas party. Guy comes in with that big old stack of pizzas. Everybody just...
Oh, yeah, I remember. Geno's. Hey,
What?
that's me.
Yeah, that's you.
When was that?
Told you, last week.
I was studying for my test. I aced it.
Hope so. Didn't see you for days.
Turn it off.
Almost done.
Cut that out.
All right.
Turn it off.
Almost done.
Anyway, we love the lounge areas.
Geno's, the beach, and Apocalypse Now.
Why is it called the beach?
It's always so hot in there.
Oh, yeah.
Like 90 all the time.
Yeah. And why Apocalypse Now?
Better not say.
No.
They'll find out soon enough.
Okay. Where are we now?
Just tracking down the hall.
I know, but why?
I don't know. I like these hallways.
I know, me too, but hey, it's a hallway.
I always feel like I'm in a space station or something when I walk the halls. Anyway, I like to check out the classes when I go by.
What's this?
Quiz day in 223. Dr. Trineri was flipping quarters at us.
What for?
Right answers.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you make any money?
You don't remember lunch on Wednesday?
Nope.
All right, well, hang on. There you go. Remember?
We eat there every day.
Yeah, well, that day, Wednesday, I bought us lunch from the quarters I made on the quiz.
I had a salad and a water. Big spender.
It was a tough quiz.
I guess so. And what's this?
Rest of the cafe.
I know, but why?
I like the cafe.
I know, so do I, but... Oh, never mind. Professor Kapinka.
Mm-hmm.
What's he doing?
Wait for it.
Oh. Oh, no.
Oh, watch this, watch this.
Oh, my hero.
Piece of cake, right?
Was he okay?
Oh, yeah, just a little surge. He was overclocking a, what do you call it? It's a, well, you know.
Professor Kaminsky.
Mm-hmm. I asked her to help me with B-tree index search algorithm.
Looks like you get your money's worth.
Yeah, Dr. Kaminsky wouldn't let me leave till I got it.
That's the front lobby.
I love the front lobby.
You would love everything around here.
Yeah, it's true. It's just new and it's, I don't know, it's
What?
useful.
Useful.
Yeah.
Let me guess. You love this walkway, too.
Yeah? Don't you?
Yes, I do, but don't you think they're going to want to know more about other stuff?
Enough building shots?
Yeah.
All right, hang on.
Enough.
Hang on. All right, here's a lab. So talk.
What?
Your turn. Say something.
Okay. I really like the small class sizes here at Western.
Okay, keep going.
And the fact that, well, all my teachers are big-time professors. My friend at U of M, she had lots of grad students for teachers, and she barely ever got to talk to a real professor till much later.
Good.
I don't know.
What else you got?
I don't know. You say what else.
Okay.
Where's this?
Oh, yeah. What was I going to say about that? Oh, yeah. Most of you thinking about studying computer science already know quite a bit already, like installing software, changing hardware, or blogging and podcasting and stuff.
Yeah, or even setting up a MySpace page or a YouTube site. Or even you serious gamers probably already know a lot about computers.
In fact, you can't even get into this place till you can play Freebird on Guitar Hero.
Stop it, that's not true.
It should be.
Well, it's not. Cut it out.
All right.
Dr. Kerstetter.
Yeah, took these when I went to see all of them.
Them all? You saw all our professors.
Yeah, had to get some free advice about careers.
Well, what'd they say?
Well, they said you were definitely unmarketable. Ow.
They did not.
No.
What did they say?
They said to think about where I wanted to work. Software company, hospital, bank. Where else? Oh, Dr. Yang said he had connection with Sony. Might be able to get me a gaming gig.
Really?
Yeah. Nothing fancy to start, but foot in the door, you know.
Well, that's what you wanted.
That's what everybody wants.
Congrats.
Thanks. What else? They said, would I rather work by myself or part of a team? That makes a difference on what job somebody tries for. Mm-hmm. And did I want to move somewhere else or stay local?
Oh. Well, what about jobs?
What about them?
Well, are there jobs everywhere, or
They said no worries.
good jobs?
$50K a year.
Really?
Starting. $50K starting salary.
But not in gaming.
Nah, not start.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
50,000. Doing what, though?
I don't know. Said a bunch of stuff.
Like what, though?
I don't know. Software engineering stuff, web programming, networks, databases.
That's not bad. I can do that.
Yeah, 40%. They said something about 40%.
What?
Dr. Nelson said something about a 40% increase in the need for programmers and IT people by the time we graduate.
Wow.
This is in the video.
What What is this?
This is Danny.
I know that's Danny, but what is he doing?
I wanted to show him that we're a completely wireless campus.
What is he doing?
He's wireless.
Okay, are we about done here?
Yeah, almost. I got a couple more things to show him.
I gotta finish this assignment.
I know.
And that's Danny.
Hang on. Almost done.
Ooh, what's this?
I went to the game last week,
Rah, rah. Where was I?
studying for your test.
Oh, yeah. How was the game?
Awesome. The best time I've ever had.
Did I mention I aced my test?
Yeah, I think you did. Now here's downtown Kalamazoo.
Oh, I love Kalamazoo.
Me too. Great town. What can you say? It's just a great town. And here in the center of town, the Indian Mound in Bronson Park.
Who's the girl?
What girl?
Who's the girl?
It's nobody. It's Heather.
Heather.
Yeah, she's an
Oh.
actress.
Yay.
You were busy, so I had to grab an actress. Studying for that test all weekend. I mean, I put up a sign at the theater department. There she is. Let me just scan forward a little.
Yeah, let's scan way forward.
Relax. There we go.
What's this?
Drive-bys of our favorite hangouts in Kazoo. Hang on. Let me bring up a tune.
That was good.
Yeah, thanks.
But you didn't mention Sunseeker.
Who?
The solar car project?
Oh, I forgot.
Or the computing club, the computer
I
contest.
must have run out of time.
And jobs on campus. Study abroad.
Did you like anything about my video?
I liked it all.
Yeah, thanks.
But jobs on
You
campus.
said that
I
already.
know, but best pizza in town?
Bilbo's.
Bruno's.
Nope. Martinis.
Martini's is good.
We had our first date there.
I remember.
Well, that's it.
Behind the scenes at WMU.
We're making a video. Hope you enjoyed it.
There's only one more thing we have to tell you.
Just one.
We're all made of atoms.
But you just watched us not as real people, but as electrons.
Dancing across whatever screen you're watching.
We're not real in the sense that you can touch us.
Think of us as avatars.
You saw us. You heard us.
But you didn't touch us. I mean, we existed only in your mind.
Only as electrons in your eyes.
And electrical impulses in your brain.
To paraphrase Shakespeare, our video now is ended.
And we, your avatars, I mean, as we told you, we're all photons and are melted into the air.
In thin air.
And like the dancing electrons of this video,
The ivory tower, the classrooms.
the hallways.
The hallways. Love those hallways. Like all this stuff, we too will dissolve.
Leave not a bit behind.
For we are such dreams that stuff is made from.
And now our files are stored in memory and sleep.
And that is the wave of the future.
Information.
Electrons and photons.
Information is the universe of the 21st century.
Information will be everything.
And those that know how to create it,
Only those will rule the world.
good luck.
Have fun in college.
But work hard.
Yeah, work hard. Nice working with you.
Ah, you too. See you around.
Beam us up, Scotty.
I'm melting! I'm melting! What a world! What a world!
Let us now review the 100 best reasons for choosing Western Michigan University for your college education. Number 1, proximity to a very large body of water. Number 2, easy access by way of converging interstate highways. And number 3, a variable yet pleasant climate. Number 4,